What's up guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at CBS and I'm gonna be talking about can you watch your local programming on demand on your CBS account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So, can you watch your local programming on demand on CBS? Well, local programming isn't available, but if you're using a subscription called Paramount Plus with Showtime plan, subscribers can watch a live stream of their local CBS station. With Paramount Plus, you can enjoy over 45,000 on-demand episodes and movies from CBS, BET, MTV, Comedy Central, Smithsonian Channel, Nickelodeon, and far more. So, if you want to check out the Paramount Plus, when you're on the CBS page over here, go to the upper right corner which says try Paramount Plus, and over here you can create your own account and check their offerings. So overall, if you wish to watch your live programming on demand, it's currently not available, but with specific Paramount Plus subscriptions, you can watch some on-demand episodes and so on and so forth, but you cannot watch your live local programming on demand with the CBS. You can watch your station, CBS, which is in your region, but you cannot watch your local programming on demand. So overall, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.